Hello MKIRIKACHA family. Have you ever looked at your tomato plant and thought, you could be doing more with your life? Well, guess what? You're right. Today we're giving you the secret sauce for turning your tomato plant from just okay into a full-blown tomato factory, with a simple move called the V-shaped pruning technique. But before we get our hands dirty, drop us a comment and tell us, where are you watching from? We love seeing our garden family from all over the world. So, what's this of shape thing? It's not yoga for tomatoes. It's pruning your plant to grow 2 main stems instead of 1. That's right, 2 bosses on 1 plant. Here's how to make it happen the MKIRIKACHA way. Let your tomato plant grow until you spot the first flower cluster. Just below it, you'll find a sneaky little shoot. The sucker. That's not a weed. That's your golden ticket. Let that sucker grow. It'll become the second main stem. Together with the original one, they'll form a powerful V, the victory formation. Prune off all the other suckers like a tomato ninja. We're only raising 2 champions here. No freeloaders allowed. Support each stem with string, a stake, or a trellis. Tie them gently. They're strong, but they need guidance, just like teenagers. Why go through all this trouble, you ask? Because 2 stems mean more fruit per plant. The V-shape lets in more sunlight and airflow. Goodbye fungal diseases, and your garden will look like a boss-level tomato kingdom. Some quick wisdom before you try this at home: only do this with indeterminate tomatoes, the ones that keep growing tall like gossip in the village. Feed and water well. 2 stems, 2 appetites. Keep checking and pruning. Tomato plants grow suckers faster than rumors on market day. So now you've got the MKIRIKACHA secret to growing big juicy tomatoes, in a V for victory. Have you tried the V shape before, or are you ready to try it now? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a big like if you learned something today, and hit subscribe so you never miss a single tomato growing hack. Thanks for watching MKIRIKACHA TV, where we grow smart, laugh loud, and garden proud. See you in the next video.